Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. Let's create new background layer. Add name background, click OK, move to behind of layers. Use color gradient ramp. Choose gradient ramp, use for background. And start color, let's use blue. And end color, also blue, but light blue. Click OK. So select this background, Ctrl D and delete gradient ramp. Use effect fill. Add name rod. And color, let's use black. Click OK. Change size and move to down like this. Select these bus layers, move to down. Go to pen tool. Let's create one line like this, collization tool, and fill, choose none, choose white. Stroke width right now, right 10, and change name rod line. So open inside, move to behind of layers, contents, shape 1, stroke 1, click dashes, and change dashes. And in this time, let's create offset keyframe. Go to 8 seconds, press N for select work area. Right click and trim comb to work area. And in last second, hold shift and change value. Preview. Okay, this is very slowly. Let's change value like this. Okay, not bad. And close settings. So in this time, let's create new null object. Hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, collization tool, and move to like this. And select this layer bus and wheels. Link to null object. Select this sky. Let's link to layer bus. Select element, link to layer bus. Also windows, link to layer bus and color yellow. Okay, this is main color. Okay. Also link to layer bus. So select this bus layer, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shotgun, you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard. And let's move to down. Again, go to 10 keyframes. Select first keyframe, copy paste. Make keyframes easies. Right click, keyframe assistant and easies or click F9. And preview animation. In this time, let's create a loop and endless animation with expressions. Select keyframes, hold Alt and position. Click here and go to play button, property and loop out duration. For down expression, click just here for empty area. Let's see. Okay. In this time, select this bus. Let's press U and also keep this position keyframes and select this null object. I will create rotations with null object. Press R. Create rotation keyframe. Select this wheel 2 and wheel 1. Let's unlink, choose none. And select this rotation. Try to -4 or -2 or let's try -1. Go to 10 keyframes, right 1, again 10 keyframes, again -1 and make it keyframes easies. And select keyframes, hold Alt, click this time icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration. And click here for down expression. Let's see. Okay, for random animation, select these rotation keyframes, hold Alt, move to right like this. Okay, that's good. And select these wheels, press R, create rotation keyframes, go to last second and write 5. Let's see. Nice, very good and very simple. We can write this rotation 6. And let's close settings and go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose rectangle tool, and let's create rectangles like this. And go to fill stroke, write 0, fill, choose color, let's use this blue, and move to left for light blue. Click OK. And collization tool, let's move to up, and open rectangle 1, OK. Select rectangle 1, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. And let's change scale. Again, Ctrl D, move to right. Change like this scale. Again, Ctrl D, move to here, change scale. Again, Control D, move to right, and change scale like this. So, in this time, let's change name reflection. Select this reflection. Let's click toggle switch modes. Let's go to this icon and let's track to sky. And select the sky, let's enable. And reflection, press R and change like this. Okay, so select this reflection and move to behind of window layer. Nice. And select this reflection, press P, create new passing keyframe, and go to last second and move to left. And for endless reflection elements, go to FS presses, search effect repeat tile, choose repeat tile, use for reflection, and change expand right. And let's move to like this, change expand right again for C. Okay, let's see. Nice, very good. Okay, I like it. And let's move to left more for much more speedily, and expand right, change value. Okay, that's good, I like it. So in this time, let's add parallax for background. And for this, let's create new solid layer, add name builds, click OK. Go to rectangle tool and create random buildings like this. Okay, so clickation tool and move to behind of road line layer and move up. Select this background and let's copy gradient effect and go to building, Ctrl V, and go to color. Let's change to dark, and this color also dark. Okay, that's good. Nice. And select these buildings, press P, create new passing keyframe, go to last second and move to left. Again, let's use repeat tile, go to FX presses and CC repeat tile, use for buildings, and change expand right. Let's see. Nice. And let's select these buildings and move to left more, and CC repeat tile, use for expand right. Okay, that's good. So let's select these buildings, Ctrl D for duplicate, and press S, change scale, and right click, go to transform and flip horizontal, and move to down, and press P. Let's delete middle keyframe. Okay, let's remove these position keyframes, select the CC repeat tile, delete, and use again new repeat tile, and change expand right, move to right for full screen, and change expand right again. Okay, so in this time, let's create new passing keyframe, go to here and move to left. Now let's first select last keyframe, move to right, because this is horizontal flip, and move to right like this, and expand right, change for much more loop. Let's see. Okay, nice. We can create more speedily. Okay, that's all. And select these buildings. Let's right front and enable gradient ramp. We can use curves or levels and change levels for like this. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. We have buildings parallax. I like it. So also we can add, let's go to layer, new, and adjustment layer, move to up, and go to FS presses, search effect lens, choose lens flare, and lens type, let's move to here, and here we go. We can change brightness. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.